Hi, I'm Marty Martell, and I'm the owner of Martell Law Offices. Our office represents people with tax problems. One of the questions that's most frequently asked of us is whether or not people can settle their tax liability for less than they actually owe, or can the penalties and interest be wiped out and just pay the original tax? And the answer is fairly simple. There are only two ways, generally, that the IRS will agree to reduce the amount of the tax liability. First, the simple one is a penalty abatement. And as most people know, most often there's a huge amount of penalties and interest that accrue on a tax account in addition to the original tax. There is a procedure called penalty abatement. If a person has what the IRS considers to be a legitimate reason why they didn't either file the tax return or pay the tax, they can have those taxes, the penalties on those taxes abated, and that means that they're removed. Reasonable cause has to be that. It has to be something reasonable. They won't accept we didn't have the money. But there's a lot of reasons why you can get penalties abated. For example, if you're in a situation where perhaps you gave the records to the accountant and your accountant didn't get the tax returns done, or there was a flood or a fire and records were lost, there's many reasons, as many as you can think of, why people may have legitimate grounds to get penalties abated. What we would suggest you do is to contact us and let us give you a consultation. Have you explain the facts to us, and then we'll tell you whether or not we believe that you've got legitimate grounds to get penalties abated. The next video in this series will relate to offers in compromise, which are the other means of having the amount that you owe the IRS reduced by a significant amount. Please take a look at our video concerning offers in compromise.